How would you like to make your first 10, 20, 30,000 in less than a year? Right? Your first 40, 50,000 in less than a year. How would you like that? So today we're going to talk about a friend of mine that made her first 50,000 in 4 months, right? Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. Make sure to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed just yet, make sure to subscribe, guys. And share the video. Share the wealth, share the fun, share the joy, because that's all I provide on my videos with the nuggets. Okay, so today a friend of mine called. We worked together before on a project, right? And she said that, hey, can we go out for lunch? And I was like, I can't, because I have military stuff to do. So I said to her, but we will arrange to go at some point, maybe next week or something. So I was like, but what's up? And she was like, man, I have this amazing news and I wanted to tell you over lunch. I was like, okay, so I can't make it, so tell me. And she's like, I'll wait until next week. I was like, no, you can't just tell me that you had something to tell me over lunch and then now I'm going to have to wait a week. I was like, you can't do that. She was like, okay, fine. And she said that I hit 50K. So I was like, I don't understand. Hit 50K what? She was like, I made 50K between January and now. I was like, wait, what? So this is what happened. So she started out with a business of mine in January. She didn't get serious until around March. Yeah, it was around ending of March, April, somewhere there. She actually got serious, and start implementing what I told her that she needs to implement. But I was just working with her between like January and March, and getting the basics down and so on and so forth. And she called me today to tell me that news. Now, I don't know about you guys, but for me, if somebody that I know is winning, I'm winning. Because if I'm winning, my team is winning. That's how I see it. Right? There's nothing that excites me more than, somebody saying, from watching your video, it helped me with this or it helped me with that. Or somebody saying to me, Khamoya, thank you for this help, because with that help, I got this. I love helping people. And this is why I hop on here every day and be doing videos. Right? This is why I hop on here, and whatever I learn, I tell it to you guys. Because if you implement it just the way that I give it to you, you will get that wealth from it. Right? I don't hop on here for style. I don't hop on here to look like, first of all, if you realize you see how I hop on here. Right? And I'm not going to say, oh, those that hop on here in this, that, or the third is just being boastful or whatever. I hop on my videos as me. So there are going to be days that I have makeup on, and there are going to be days with I got my headband on, but this is me. This is me on a day-to-day basis. Right? I do get fancy, but I don't get fancy every day. So why would I get fancy every time I hop on here? You know what I mean? There are going to be days when I look all dolled up for whatever reason. And there are going to be days when I look like this. Which is me. Right? And because my reason for hopping on here is to teach you guys. That's my reason. That's my sole reason for hopping on here. It's to teach you guys, help you guys on your journey so that you can get out of that stress that you're in, that financial bind that you're in. right? That, that retirement that you want so much, and you don't have to wait until you're 65 or 70. You see what I'm saying? So that's my reason for hopping on here. So I got the news and I'm just really, really happy. I'm really happy. It felt like that 50K went in my account. That's how it felt. And guys, I want to teach you guys, I want to help you guys how to make that 50K, or how to make your first 10K, or how to make, your first 20K, your first dollar online. I want to help you on that journey, how to make it. But I can't help you unless you allow me to. I can't help you if you don't hit the link down below. I can't help you if you don't reach out to me and say, hey, Khamoya, can you help me? So until when you give me that permission to help you, I can't do anything. I'll just be doing these videos and hoping that it gets to you and you hit me up. But guys, that's all I have for today, man. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy for her. I'm really, really, really happy. I mean, it's amazing. And I'm telling you, the same thing that I taught her is the same thing I've been talking about in my videos. So make sure, if you haven't watched my previous videos, make sure to watch them. Because it's the exact same, it's a blueprint. That is what I say in my video is what I taught her. I don't change anything. That's what I taught her. That's how I made my money. So I'm not going to change it. I'm not going to change the strategy. So make sure, if you haven't watched my previous YouTube videos, make sure after this video, after you like and comment on this video, you go watch the others. Because I'm telling you, you implement that strategy that I give, you will be banking. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all for today. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, just go on now and subscribe. Comment on my video if you like what you heard. Comment if you don't like what you heard. Comment if you'd like me to talk about something, I'll see what I can do. Comment if you're just feeling good. Comment if it's a great day. Comment if it's a bad day. Just comment. Thank you, guys. My Facebook link will be in the description down below. If you want to join me on Facebook. My affiliate link is also in the description below. If you're interested in banking, hit that link. Try it out. Try it out. If it doesn't work out for you, you can cancel. You can cancel. You don't have to continue. If it is not for you, it is not for you. And that's it. I understand. But it's down below in the description. Also, my Instagram link is also in the description below. I do Instagram. I love Instagram. Instagram is where I also bank. So if you have any question on Instagram, I'm more than happy to answer. Subscribe, share the video with your friends and families, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. Until tomorrow, guys, I'll see you.